Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at ExpertOption. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. ExpertOption is an online trading broker that was founded in 2014 in St Vincent and the Grenadines. They are available in more than 48 countries worldwide, and more than 70 million traders choose ExpertOption for their preferred financial broker. ExpertOption is considered a low-risk broker because they are regulated by the Financial Services Authority. They have an outstanding Trustpilot rating, and they offer accounts with low minimum deposit requirements. With ExpertOption, you can trade a variety of cryptocurrencies, CFDs, Forex pairs, shares, commodities and indices, and you can leverage your trades by up to 500 times. They also provide plenty of educational resources and research material, and there are multiple account types to choose from. ExpertOption offers a simplistic website that is user-friendly and easy to navigate. The landing page highlights their account features, and there are direct download links for the platforms that you can use with them. You can either click on the menu icon on the left side of your screen, or you can scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page to find links to educational resources, accounts, platforms, and company information. There are more than 100 tradable instruments that can be traded with low commission fees and tight spreads. Some of the instruments you can trade with ExpertOption include major cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ether and Bitcoin Cash, dozens of CFDs, Forex pairs and shares, as well as commodities and a variety of indices. ExpertOption also offers 24/7 customer support, and their support team can be reached via email, live chat and telephone. You can also send web tickets directly from the website and request a callback if you prefer. With ExpertOption, you can use their proprietary trading application. The ExpertOption mobile application has been downloaded by more than 10 million users, and it can be downloaded from Google Play or the Apple App Store. This award-winning application comes with a variety of technical analysis tools, including 4 chart types, 8 indicators and trend lines, and it can be used to trade more than 100 financial assets. Their trading application can be used on desktop, as a web-based browser application, or on Mac iOS operating systems. ExpertOption offers 6 different accounts, as well as a demo account, and you can start trading with them by depositing only $10 if you open a micro account. We recommend the micro and basic accounts for beginners who want a low-risk account with access to educational materials. Once you are ready to upgrade, or you already have some experience in trading, you can open a silver, gold, or platinum account that will come with exclusive features and account management services. The silver account is the most popular account type with most of ExpertOption's clients, and it comes with free consultations and daily market news notifications. This account requires a minimum deposit of $500, and it is recommended for intermediate traders. The gold account is designed for serious investors, and it comes with daily notifications, as well as priority withdrawals and up to 2% increased profits. The minimum deposit requirement on this account is $2,500, and we recommend this account only if you have more expert knowledge of trading and investing. If you are looking for an account that will allow you to have an unlimited number of orders open and up to 4% increased profits with priority withdrawals, then you should open a platinum account. This account is recommended for professional traders and investors only, and the minimum deposit required is $5,000. There is also a VIP account that is an invitation-only account, and this account also comes with priority withdrawals, daily notifications, and up to 6% increased profits. If you would prefer to practice trading before opening a real account, or if you want to test your strategies before using them, then you can open a demo account to trade in a risk-free environment with $10,000 in virtual funds. Creating an account with ExpertOption may take up to 24 hours, depending on the type of account you would like to open. But the account creation process is straightforward, and you can contact their customer support team if you have any questions about your account. Firstly, launch the ExpertOption homepage, and then click on the Real Account button. Complete the online application form. Next, you will want to verify your account and email address, and then you can log in to the client portal. And once your account is set up and approved, you can fund your account and simply start trading. Once your account has been created, you will be redirected to the ExpertOption proprietary trading platform. ExpertOption provides an intuitive, user-friendly interface that is simple to use and easy to navigate. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the top left side of the dashboard, you can easily switch between your favorite market instruments, and you can buy and sell from the bottom of the dashboard. On the left side of the dashboard, you can switch between your trading window, view your profile, view different apps, check on analysis, and view educational resources. If you are new to trading and are new to the ExpertOption proprietary trading platform, the broker offers a wide variety of tutorial educational videos for you to browse through to help you get started directly from the platform. With regards to educational resources, ExpertOption provides plenty of trading guides on graphical analysis, fundamental analysis, and technical analysis. And you can also learn more about trading psychology and trading strategies, which will give you a great deal of insight and knowledge about trading more responsibly and avoiding the most common mistakes that traders make. There are several different tutorials that will help you get started with your account, as mentioned earlier, and you can tune into their webinars if you would like to watch live trading sessions or gain insight from trading experts. You can also visit the ExpertOption Club website for exclusive educational resources and in-depth guides on using trading strategies, how-to guides on using platforms, trading different instruments, and much, much more. There are also plenty of blogs that you can read over at the ExpertOption Club for insider knowledge and trading tips from experts. ExpertOption had previously won the Best Trading Platform Award at the China Trading Expo in Shenzhen in 2017. Overall, we recommend ExpertOption for social traders, beginners, and serious investors. They offer an award-winning mobile application and have more than 70 million clients worldwide, so you can rest assured that your investments are safe with ExpertOption. You will also have access to plenty of high-quality educational resources when you join them, with flexible account types and reliable account managers who will help you trade with confidence. If you are interested, be sure to open your account today to get a head start on your trading career with ExpertOption. And that is our overview of ExpertOption. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.